Imagine a structure so compact that even a small Tesla Model 2 hatchback could tow it with ease, yet inside it contains innovations that the construction industry has barely begun to imagine. At first glance, it looks like just another tiny home, but hidden within its foldable frame is technology that could revolutionize mobility, health, and privacy for homeowners across the world. This isn't just about downsizing or saving space, it's about redefining what freedom and independence can mean. The vision is not simply to build something different, but to build something faster, better, and years ahead of everyone else, a philosophy that echoes the ambition of Musk himself. What's at stake isn't just innovation for its own sake, but the race to create products that radically outperform competitors while arriving on the market long before anyone else even catches up. That urgency is the spark that fuels this design, and in this discussion we're unpacking exactly how it all works. Picture this. A fully functional 400 square foot home that can compress down to a package of only 200 cubic feet in less than an hour. That kind of transformation sounds like science fiction, but it's powered by engineering adapted from aerospace technology, specifically 12 precision hydraulic actuators derived from SpaceX landing gear systems, each capable of operating at an incredible 5,000 pounds per square inch. When paired with a lightweight, affordable Tesla Model 2 priced at just under $12,000, this collapsible home slashes relocation costs by more than half, making mobility not just possible, but practical. For seniors and retirees especially, this kind of setup promises a lifestyle where visiting family across the country or spending seasons in different climates is no longer restricted by logistics, cost, or physical limitations. The dream of true mobility freedom, once reserved for imagination, suddenly becomes real. The magic lies in the way advanced carbon fiber hinges and AI-driven leveling systems create such dramatic space efficiency. By folding and compressing the structure with zero compromise on stability, the design manages to reduce its volume by nearly 90% without jeopardizing its strength. These carbon fiber joints endure more than 10,000 cycles without fatigue, while the actuator systems preserve near-perfect seal integrity to keep dust, moisture, and other environmental threats at bay. The precision of the engineering is staggering, ensuring that this home can be expanded or collapsed in only 45 minutes and still remain structurally sound even after thousands of miles of towing. And speaking of mobility, terrain adaptability is where this design truly shines. Tesla has integrated a GPS-synced auto-leveling system that calibrates itself with astonishing 0.1 degree accuracy, even on inclines as steep as 15%. On rougher surfaces, vibration dampers modeled after Tesla's full self-driving sensor array absorb up to 95% of road-induced shocks, preventing microcracks and extending the structural lifespan. The result is a mobile home engineered not for ideal highways, but for the unpredictable realities of the open road. A compact footprint of only 8 by 10 feet when fully collapsed means that the house can be towed almost anywhere and deployed with a simple tap on a touchscreen app connected to the car. The entire process runs off a redundant 48-volt battery system, designed with seniors in mind to eliminate the heavy lifting and strain associated with traditional RVs or mobile homes. According to mobility studies, this design reduces physical exertion by nearly a third, turning relocation from a grueling challenge into a simple, stress-free routine. But practicality also extends to costs, and here the numbers speak volumes. Towing this collapsible home behind a Tesla consumes only 2 cents per mile in energy, compared with 15 cents for comparable gas-powered setups. That means thousands of dollars in annual savings and far less environmental impact, especially with solar-assisted hydraulics extending range by an additional 20%. For a single relocation, users can save as much as $2,500 in logistics expenses, which scales into billions in market revenue over time. The idea of being tethered to a single property, feeling trapped by age or circumstance, fades away into a new era of independence where one's home moves as freely as one's spirit. Inside, the benefits grow even more compelling. Tesla's multi-stage air purification system transforms the living space into something closer to a medical-grade cleanroom than a typical home. Starting with a pre-filter that captures 95% of larger particles, the system progresses through an H14 HEPA core capable of removing 99.995% of fine particulate matter, before finishing with a bipolar ionization stage that neutralizes viruses and bacteria with remarkable efficiency. The system runs quietly at 6 air changes per hour, ensuring continuous protection, all powered by solar energy to keep it completely off-grid. For seniors or anyone living in pollution-heavy cities, this kind of filtration is nothing short of life-extending. The innovation goes further with graphene-coated self-cleaning filters that harness UV light to prevent clogging and extend their lifespan 5 times longer than conventional filters. Meanwhile, energy consumption remains astonishingly low, under 50 watts at peak operation, less than that of a standard light bulb. On top of that, sensors 50 times more sensitive than consumer-grade devices like Nest monitor pollutants, allergens, and CO2 in real time. Machine learning algorithms then anticipate potential spikes, whether from cooking, traffic smog, or wildfire smoke, and preemptively adjust the system in under 5 seconds. In practice, this means the air inside the home is not just cleaner than outside, it actively protects health in ways the human body can't even perceive in time. Studies confirm 7-log bacterial reduction, or 99.9999% elimination, with filters projected to last for a decade without major replacements. For anyone worried about smog, allergies, or respiratory decline, each breath in this home feels like breathing in the crisp air of a mountain retreat. Privacy, too, becomes more than just a luxury, it's a fortress. Tesla's electrochromic glass technology transforms panoramic windows into instant shields against prying eyes. With the push of a low-voltage pulse, polymer-dispersed liquid crystals scatter incoming light, switching the glass from transparent to opaque in just 3 seconds. Energy use is minimal, about 1 watt per square foot during switching, less than the energy consumed by a phone charger. The system integrates seamlessly with a perimeter of infrared sensors that automatically activate tinting when movement is detected within a 50-foot radius, creating a protective envelope faster than human reflexes. But privacy here doesn't stop at visibility. Advanced biometric systems link tinting schedules to facial recognition profiles with nearly perfect accuracy, ensuring that the home responds only to authorized users. Over time, the AI learns habits and anticipates preferences, dimming windows at night for a movie or clearing them in the morning for natural sunlight, without any manual input. Beyond physical security, the system employs quantum-resistant encryption protocols modeled after Starlink's networks, rendering it virtually impenetrable to cyber attacks. Even thermal imaging cameras cannot penetrate the opacity barrier once the glass is activated, giving homeowners confidence in both their physical and digital security. At the same time, the electrochromic coating preserves more than 99% of UV rejection, protecting skin and interiors from long-term damage while maintaining clarity for more than 100,000 switching cycles. The result is privacy that doesn't just feel futuristic, it lasts for decades while consuming virtually no energy outside of switching moments. For those who fear feeling exposed or vulnerable in their own homes, this transforms the environment into a sanctuary where safety and tranquility coexist with panoramic beauty. Taken together, these elements show that Tesla's collapsible tiny house isn't just another architectural concept. It's proof that compact living can be luxurious, liberating, and sustainable all at once. It combines aerospace-grade engineering, hospital-quality health safeguards, and military-level privacy protection in a package smaller than most studio apartments. It restores independence to older generations, offers cost savings that younger families desperately need, and provides environmental protections for everyone in between. Most importantly, it grants peace of mind, the assurance that your home moves with you, protects you, and sustains you in ways traditional housing could never achieve. It's not just a structure, it's a redefinition of freedom, comfort, and security in the modern age.